Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a question upon double integration, and in that the question says find the area of the region by double integration of the curve, or you can say between these two parabolas. So we know the parabola y square is equals to 4ax will be symmetric about the x-axis, while you can say the other parabola x square is equals to 4ay will be symmetric about the y-axis. So you can see the region between these two curves, that is this part. We need to find this area. So by double integration we know how to formulate or how to find the area. Area is found out by double integration of dx dy. Now most important part of this is taking limits. For the x part we know it will be tending from 0 to this part. The point of intersection you can find out by elimination method, which will be coming out 4a, 4a. So x will be tending from this part to this part. But what about y? So you will be putting this x limits very easily, but about y we need to understand this part is giving you y, this arrow. This arrow we will be denoting as the y limit. So for the lower limit this will be giving the lower limit which is tending to 0, and for the upper limit this part will be giving you the upper limit. So the lower limit is given by x square is equals to 4ay, from where you can say x square is equals to 4ay. So y is equals to x square by 4a. So this will be the lower limit you can see over here. Similarly, putting the value of the upper limit under root of 4ax, which is nothing but 2 root ax. Thereafter it's very simple. We'll be integrating with respect to y first. So this will come, putting out the upper and lower limit, will be getting this. Then integrating with respect to x, you will be getting this. Thereafter it's very simple to simplify. Here you can see we are getting 32 by 3a square minus this part. So you can again simplify this by 4 16s and 4 3s. So the denominators are equal. We can subtract 32 minus 16 will come out to 16 by 3a square, which is a usual formula. So today we have seen how you can find out the formula which you have been mugging up. You can yourself find that formula. Thank you very much, and please do like and subscribe.